Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be explaining how our students caught over 1000 points in total and why the market moved like it did today. And yes, that's pretty much it. And also how I caught my personal trade around 160 points. Okay guys, so let's start on the daily time frame. So right here, yesterday, right, we had a absolutely insane dump, so big that you probably could not trade your funded account. And yes, so that's a pretty big thing. Caught this trade yesterday. Yeah, so we absolutely dumped yesterday because of Donald Trump's new tariffs, right? And so these tariffs made many of the countries react, especially as we saw today. Very bad for the Nasdaq, right? And this was because of, for example, China hit them back with an insanely huge tariff. And China is an extremely important part of well, basically the entire world's production of everything. So yeah, that hit a lot. That hit very hard. And this is why I was extremely bearish today. And so was, well, many of my students, and it was absolutely insane. So what we had here, so our student called out also that this high would be probably the high of the day if we swept this. And so he said that, and yeah, he took this. I don't know what it was exactly, but yeah, he called out this high. And yeah, basically we took out this high. As you can see in the hourly, we're in the hourly value gap. We did not go very far into it. It's very hard to catch these highs when we're in these kind of ranges, because as you'll see, our premium discount or whatever, it actually did hit here, but like you will see that it is very hard for these like places to be hit. As you can see, we did hit this. We did. And yeah, actually, which is what we want to. But otherwise, like, you had a huge gap, right? So you need to find something that could be like a smaller indicator or like a smaller area, so you actually have a chance of actually taking anything. Where our student called out this, you could. But yeah, you need to call out something because this huge range will not do you any good at all. This is literally a 300 point range right there, the fucking gaps, okay? So you need to pick something and stick to it. But yeah, because of China and America and all these tariffs and everything, I don't want to go too much into politics, but just know the basics that we're extremely bearish. And so, yeah, at market open, yeah, so we pushed up at market open, and then after that, we pushed down again, creating this fair value gap. And these were the things I was looking at. Created this fair value gap, bang, and then here, right here, we tapped into this. Oh no, it wasn't made yet, but yeah, this was an important area. We pumped down. We pumped down. Yeah, went down further. We took out this low, and after that, we made S&T in these lows. I know that. Then we pumped up quite a lot. We went into this rejection block, or if you want to draw it like this, went into that, and then we dumped down for, well, over here originally we swept this high. Many of you might have been shorting here, but we swept this high, and then we went into the inverse that was created right here, and then went up again, and this is where we went into rejection block, which is right here, and then bang, and I took this shot from the top. And yeah, a bunch of the students also caught it. Bang, we dumped down. I targeted these SMTs. I wanted them to be liquidated. And yeah, you could have targeted the low of the day, but I didn't want to go that far. I didn't want to trade today originally at all, but I just took this very short, very quick, very easy. Not too much to it. And so yeah, our students caught all the way down here from, I don't know, like up here, one of them, and like, bro, it's absolutely insane. Caught over 1,000 points in premium today, which, bro, it's like I didn't even think that would be possible. But I guess on a day like this, with good students and good knowledge, you can do that. And yeah, so after we dumped, we went into this around here. Wait, actually, I think I have an indicator for it. Yeah. So for all you guys trading prop firms, you might want to have this indicator. I'll put a link to it in the description. It is in my finance futures indicator, which will just help you see where the maximum and the minimum is, where you can trade for the day, let's say. So you can see in here, we go in here, you cannot be trading in this area at all. If you trade, your account will be immediately banned, like liquidated and completely gone. No matter if you're a fucking sim account, if you're a eval, if you're funded, nothing, it'll go away right here. And then up here you can be trading again. We did not take any longs in premium, we only shorted today. And so I think there were some shorts from this gap over here also. Samuel took shorts of this, made another 200 points. Enoch took short of this. Like everyone profited insane today, okay? So yeah, that was pretty much this part. And now I just want to tell you like this. So here, down here, you are not allowed to trade. Your account will be removed immediately. If we actually somehow within the next 20 minutes or something, go all the way down here. As you can see, we're down 6.37% on the NQ right now for the day. If we go down here, yeah, then your the whole NQ will be halted, like closed basically, for 15 minutes. Nothing will happen, which is absolutely insane. I've never seen, like, I don't think I've seen like something like this happen like this many times, like, you know what I mean, like so often. We have seen this before, of course. It's not like completely new, but it's new to a lot of traders, definitely. And to funded traders, it might be very, very, very confusing and stuff. I just want to tell you guys that it's really not that dangerous. Just don't trade when we're in the red areas. I'll send the indicator in the description below. It's very easy. You just look at the zones, and if it's in zone, you cannot be trading. Also the green zones, if it pumps too much in a day, you will not all be trading either, okay? Yeah. And so that was pretty much the day. Of course, this was not everything. More info will be in premium. But that was pretty much it. And yeah, 1,000 points one day. That is absolutely amazing. I did not expect to see this happening anytime soon, but I am so grateful it did. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, if you have anything, just DM me in Discord or send a comment or join our Discord in the link below. And if you want to learn, also click on our tradersite.com and go check it out. Goodbye, guys.